I used one of these at work, and now I had to have one for myself. This is the off-brand version from Harbor Freight. Well, it's got a brand, it's Franklin, but this is a lot cheaper than the ones they have at like Lowe's. And it looks like it's the same build quality. And like I was saying, I have one of these at work, and this is one of the best things we've ever bought. Look at this thing. It's got 23 ladders in one. OSHA certified, or compliant, I guess. 17-foot max reach.
Aircraft grade aluminum.
Aircraft. We could fly this thing.
We know how you love trash. You like to throw it. You didn't throw that. There we go. Don't hit the TV with your
my knife.
Sharpie.
Let's put that away because you're probably getting scared. Look at that. This thing is awesome. And you can see it does an extension ladder, an A-frame. You can do all kinds of positions. And one of the cool things that you can do with this, you know how a regular ladder has your thing in the middle that keeps it apart? This doesn't have that. It locks up top. And that makes it nice because if you need to get over a ladder or a fence or something, you can actually put this over a fence.
Wow.
And climb over it. Mm-hmm. It's really neat. So this is different than what I got at work. So you flip these out.
Move the plastic before you trip and
so just take these out like that, and then okay. I do like my one at work better. This is not bad, but it's a lot more expensive. And this will support 300 pounds. And it's got a wider base. And like the one at work we have, it's got adjusters on the bottom where you can level it out. And we've actually had to take this apart. You could take this out and make a smaller ladder. And that's really neat because if you come here and look on the bottom here, it's actually got pads for this inner one. So you can actually take this apart.
so scaffolding.
Yeah.
Is what they're showing.
Yeah. There it is. Well, yeah, that's the two different sections.
Mm-hmm. Now you're not going to be able to go any higher than this, right?
Yes.
Those are as high as those are going to go.
So it's basically the two pieces.
Yeah.
I mean, having two ladders at one time is just awesome. I wonder how you put these together. Or if they're just laying against each other.
Well, there's instructions.
Instructions?
On the back.
On the back? Huh. Yeah. That's neat.
Imagine that. Instructions, Eric.
Instructions.
Well, let's save that. Let's not throw that away.
What's funny is we leave ours out all the time in the weather. And I've had it a couple years now, and it's held up great.
Now that's a different brand.
It's a different brand, but it's built very similar. Basically, this is a copy of that. These are different. I like the other one better. I mean, it feels good.
Yeah, it's a nice ladder. It looks sturdy.
It feels really good. 300 pounds, so it'll even hold my weight. I've been using this $29 one from Walmart that I've had for years, and it's sketchy.
And it's a little scary.
It's a little scary, and I wanted to upgrade to something that I didn't have to worry about, that I've got all the ladders. It is heavy, though. I don't know what the exact weight of this is, but it's pretty heavy. It's heavy to carry around, and my other one, we bought it at Lowe's. I'll try to show you a link to it. It has wheels on it where you can just kind of drag it around too. So, but this one was $99. We got it on sale. They have sales all the time. And it seems like this ladder it's about that same price. It's about $99 from what I've seen just about all the time. But if you can see here, it's got the specs here on it when it was made and all that. So it extends 14 foot 9 3/4 inches. So, and it's a step ladder and an extension ladder. It's got the two different heights. So that's neat. It's really, I really like it. The thing with aluminum though, if you're working with electrical, you need to have a fiberglass, because these will actually get you shocked. So that's why you see a lot of fiberglass ladders. That's if you're an electrician or something, don't get something like this, get the fiberglass. I'm not really messing with power very much, or I don't even think they make these in fiberglass yet, which would be really neat to see. But, all right. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Click the bell for notifications.
Catch you on the next review.
Bye.
Bye.
This is sturdy.
And
you can have two people on
I sort of say that would
like
be,
we'll be
how would that be the weight limit though, right?
I think on mine it said it didn't matter. Like, it doesn't matter. But we'll have two people on each side. And it's so handy for that reason alone. Just being able to have two people.
It actually says this ladder conducts electricity.
Yeah.
And somebody doesn't like it.
You don't like the new ladder, Sashi?
This is too much commotion.
But look and watch how easy it is.
It's stuck to your shoe.
Don't stay off me.
See, there she goes.
Yeah, I like my other thing better.
I like the price of this better.
Yeah. Yeah, right. And how much we're going to use it.
Right.
Like hardly at all. And then
it'll be nice. I probably won't be able to carry it around very good, but
no, it's heavy. Come see how heavy it is. It's. I'm gonna try to see if I can find a weight.
Oh my word! Oh, that's not bad. I mean, as long as I'm not going very far.
Yeah.